picking my nose. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're starting. Alright. Alright, this is the Parrot Talk Show, where we talk about things that people talk about these days. The first thing are these cheap rip-off Marvel superheroes. Yep, they're super small. On TV, they look way bigger, but they are super small. I got them in Sobeys. So, the next thing is our people's shoes. Remember, don't ever ask someone, what are those when you're wearing Skechers? Yeah, that's just gonna get you destroyed. So now on the Parrot Talk Show, we're gonna be telling you the winners of the off season in the NBA. Number 1, the Golden State Warriors. They got Nick Young and some other dumb idiots. Now the next is Cleveland. They got Jay Crowder, Isaiah Thomas, and they got some other dumb idiots that no one cares about. Oh yeah, add Derrick Rose. He's not a dumb idiot. Then we have the Boston Celtics, who got Kyrie Irving, Gordon Hayward, and some other idiots. Now let's talk about something else even more interesting. Like, I don't know, maybe these Marvel superheroes. Yeah. Can you speak now? You're a guest. Hello? So I guess he doesn't seem to be talking. And let's go and get one of our main star guests. He's coming. He's live. He is Phil. He is Phil Jackson. Phil Thomas. Yeah. Hi, Phil. How's your day? It's good, It's good. See, I wondered what. Sorry, Phil. We're out of time. What? So back to pumpkin pushing. The Parrot Talk Show. We're gonna be talking about moisturizers. Have you ever had that dare when your hair is as nappy as Kevin Durant's? Fear no longer. Get all these moisturizers. As you can see, there's Blue Magic, Vaseline, and all these other ones. You should get them. They're really good. And Axe too. That really helps for the men. Espanol. Wait, how am I doing? Oh yeah, true, I am a bird. As I was saying, now let's get back to these dumb Marvel superheroes. Are you gonna talk now? You see, I get paid to do this, so you could ruin my entire career. Just talk. Oh, we're still on the air. Okay, as I was saying, today's top news. People have been talking about It the Cloud. That movie seems really scary. But fear no longer, because now we will not be watching it on our YouTube channel. So, have a nice day, and remember, always watch the Parrot Talk Show. I'm out.